second conference, Filipino conference of the day.
Taglish na lang kasi. Taglish.
Representing the black men. The black men.
Farmer. Ako na mag-represent.
Boys to men. The farmer. Amateur pa lang sila, so may mga coaches tayo. Representing on the left, his coach will represent.
Representing my frog, my boy, and my nigger. Here is the Buddha Junior. AK Black Nip.
Cointos, man. It's all yours. Goes first. You go first. You got 1 minute. 1 minute.
One banat.
Isang banat, tapos pwede ka mag-practice. Hoy, kupal. Wait lang ba? Ayaw lang tumawa. Respect the MC.
Hoy, kupal.
Respect.
Uy, maganda to pare. Respect the MCs.
Oy, may video tayo pare, may video tayo. Respect. Respect. Hoy, kupal. Pa-epal kasi pag ako humirit, tagos na kasingit. Hirit mo sa singit, hirit ko sa betlog. Pag ako'y natapos ay ikaw mababa. Respect. That's good, man.
Okay, ano mo na?
Round 2, man.
Coach-student meeting.
Dito naman si MC. Round 2, dalawang banat to, Josh, ha? Josh, dalawang banat to. Dalawang banat. Victor! Buddha! Dalawang banat, ha? Mamaya.
BJR.
1, 2, 3.
Respect.
Sige na, gwapo ka na. Pero pagdating sa lakas, ako pa rin ang matigas.
Pwede ba? Sige, salit tayo ngayon, ha? Pag-amateur,
Meron pa siya.
Pag-amateur, salit tayo. It's the farmer's turn.
Don't turn your back on the enemy. Show what you got.
Man.
Show what you got.
Represent, farmer.
Kala mo, macho ka, hindi ka naman batak. Hindi mo lang alam na ako ay si Barak.
Sa pampana to, pare. 0-0 tayo ngayon, ha? 0-0. Let's call it ang amateur.
Tuloy ka lang.
Next game.
Grabe naman yung coach.
Respect.
Pusa.
Pare natin may minus na ba ganun?
Wait. May VIP tayo. This my man. Gary from SpongeBob.
Gary Betlog.
Gary from SpongeBob. James.
Frozen.
Respect the name. Next up ang game tayo dito.
Pare, ang itim mo. Kasing itim mo, singit ang pusa ko.
Wait lang.
Privacy. Busundan, dito ka lang. Okay naman. We ain't from Don Bosco, man. We're here in Batolao. And it's so cool. Good treat, man. We're waiting for the farmer. With his coach.
Black bitch.
Game.
Black bitch.
30 seconds gone, man.
Black bitch.
It's Obama Jr.
30 seconds gone, man.
Time in.
Here we come. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds, bro. 30 seconds.
Game, keep it up, man. We would like to thank Adrian Sarte for filming this clip. Game. It's the farmer's guy.
Oh, it's the farmer's turn.
Farmer's turn, man. Not too close, man. Not too close.
The gap.
11 ka pala, dumadali na ako. Pati pusa na nahe mo, tinitira ko.
Laza!
lang ba?
Magaling
From the judges, man. Let's hear from the judges. Let's hear from the judges, man.
The judges, man.
Decision.
I have my decision.
Champ.
I'm in favor of the weeds, bro.
Stone man, that's Buddha Junior. Buddha Junior. Buddha Junior yan. Buddha Junior. Buddha Junior. Buddha Junior. Buddha Junior.
Come here. Don't be shy. This is my man, Buddha Junior.
Oh,
I'm in favor of
Dawid si ano, Dawid si Josh. Si Josh Dawid.
One na to.
O, game.
The weeds, man. The weeds.
The weed.
Ikaw na mag-
Tol, ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganitong conference battle eh. Ang astig, tol. Kaya OT tayo! OT!
Wait.
Kahit mga amateur pala sila,
OT is amateur, man. An amateur OD. At least one banat tayo, pare. One banat.
Baksakan. Pag di na kaya, sa pana.
Wala sa pangan dito. Game. Josh, ikaw na una. Una si Luzon kanina.
Josh.
Di ba dapat topic?
Kami.
Hindi, ikaw una.
It's on the rules.
Hindi kami na una kasi siya huling bumanat.
Represent. Hindi. Una kasi siya. OT represent.
Butong mo.
Represent, Josh.
Game, bilis pare.
Performer ka. Weedsman. Oy, may isa pa tayong laban dito.
Ram.
Oo, pagkatapos natin dalawa. Last match na yan, main event. Game. It's the Weeds guy, man. Game, first guy. Hit it, man.
Chong, hindi ko alam kung ba't nag-overtime. Mga hit mo naman, walang rhyme.
Walang dating, dude. Walang dating.
Ano yun?
Wala, wag dyan. Oh, may VIP tayo dito.
Okay.
Sabi na yan, bro. Nasabi na yan.
Sorry, man. Respect my hood. Respect. Respect.
Thank you for sponsoring this whole event.
Man, this is the frozen nips. Game. We would like to take frozen nips.
Paid for everything. Paid for the food, the venue, the shirt, everything.
Game.
Buddha Junior, represent. Buddha Junior. Dapat may dynamics ka, pare. Oo, gano'n ka. Alam mo, Pacho.
Game. One.
Bakit tol, nag-3-1-3 pa sila.
Intermission number.
Hoy!
Puta, gusto mo ba?
mamaya
Gusto mo
sa
ba basketball?
intermission number.
Yung sabi mo na yung akin. Sige na, putang ina mo eh.
Wala. Oy, sa last, bawal na coach. Wala kang coach yung last.
Sige.
Tong ino.
O yan, game. Sabi mo.
Bawal? Oh, sige.
Huwag mo na camera.
Yung OT, bawal ang coaches. Oh, game.
Wala kang choice pare.
Tong ino.
Wala sinabi. Game, Buddha Junior, man.
Yo.
Makinig kayo. Oy, makinig. Uy. Gray. Boss pa.
Wala talaga. Sige ba yung kala ko? Kala ko ba flip-top lang tayo, tol?
Nagdala ng bola.
Kala ba flip-top lang tayo?
Oy, game.
Okay lang.
Bayaan mo sila.
Okay lang. Maganda yan.
Okay lang, game. Represent, man. It's your turn. Isang banat, pare.
Sige na, makapala kay Lego. Pero, at least po ako tao. Kaya sabay mo titi ko.
Okay.
Pare, wala.
Oy, ulitin niya para mas maganda.
Wala na, GG na. Mga chicks na, tama na.
Shake hands. Walang pikunan to. O, game.
Kay Wiz na ako, kay Wiz. Judge, tol.
Ay, yung winner kanina yung mag-judge ka. Yung winner kanina. OT to pre, OT.
We made the wrong decision.
Di si Frozen Nips na, celebrity. Celebrity.
Based on the experience I've watched,
JJ.
I'm thinking the weeds, bro.
Hey, Red. We call out the weeds. The weeds 1-0. This guy 0-1, man.